Okay, hello everyone. Today I will do a video demo, a quick demo about how we can run Jenkins from Docker. So there is a Jenkins image uh, in Docker. So uh, we can see how we can run it from the official document. Just for a quick demo, I will run it. You can see this, so I will run Jenkins. If you didn't have the image, you can run docker pull Jenkins. So as I already have, I will run it directly. You can see here docker images. Okay, I will run it directly. So I use docker run. I will specify the name Jenkins, and name it 100, and host I will make it as Jenkins master. I will do a master and slave with a port. I will use this one. 80. Okay, with this port. No, I use this port, and image. So I use the image name called Jenkins. So I will put it to run in the background. I use -d. You can see docker log. Jenkins is starting. The password is here, so I can browsing Jenkins using my docker IP. I specify the port, this port, so I copy the password of Jenkins from here. We can cat the file, or this is the password. It will ask us for setting up our Jenkins. So I want to try with select plugin installed. We can install using suggested plugin. So Jenkins will automatically select or require plugin. I will remove some plugin to make it faster. Get a print. Okay. Git. Okay. We remove some. Okay, install it. So it will take some time because it will be download the plugin and extract and install it. So we can see in the log it is trying to download the plugin. With Jenkins you can use it to build your code, and it is in develop tool. Okay, after downloading some plugin, and there is a few error. This is because we are running Jenkins in the old version, so some plugin are not able install in the old version. But this will be okay. We can update your Jenkins later, so we just click continue. Start setting up the user account for admin. Okay, take it easy. I will save it. So here is our new Jenkins. So you can see we can go to we can try to create something for beer. Okay, freestyle project, so I can try to test a beer for just list something. Okay, so save. Let me try to build. It's supposed to work as normal. You can see here I list it, but the problem is that it is the old Jenkins version, so you can see these error messages. If we go to try to update this error, it will be not, because we need to upgrade our Jenkins. You can see update center here. A lot of plugin fail. I will show here how we can upgrade Jenkins. So you can see the new version of Jenkins is 2.176, and our current version is 2 and 2.60, so it's very old one. You can download from here. You can copy it. This link will download a jenkins.war file. Anyway, I already have downloaded it, so I will just looking for it. No. Yeah, this one. So what I have to do, I have to copy this Jenkins war file into the Jenkins container. So what I have to do, I have to go to the Jenkins container first. I can copy Jenkins.war to Jenkins/tmp. So I copy the file into the container 100 and put it in tmp, and then I will go into the Jenkins container, but we need to run execute as root user to be able to do the operation. And Jenkins bash. So this is the master Jenkins. We can check which process is running Jenkins. So this is the Java application. So the Jenkins war is inside this location. We can go to it. So we can see this is the Jenkins war. I will back up this one. Okay, what I have to do, I will copy a file from TMP that I just make it and put it here. This is the new version of Jenkins. So I do the owner file to Jenkins user here. So we can restart the container and it will start with the new version of Jenkins. Okay, let's see. It is starting. Here the new interface of Jenkins. Okay, here is our new Jenkins server. You can see the version is updated. But what we have to do to install the required plugin, so we can go to plugin manager. Let's see this. So from here we can install which plugin that we require. For example, this is the update. Okay. This is Celeros plugin required to downgrade, upgrade. So what we can do is doing by update our Jenkins and install the new version of plugin. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will do how we can connect the master and slave node in Jenkins on the next videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching this.